What is up, guys? So today we are back and we're doing a beautiful upgrade to the C5. We're going to be installing these clear lens is what they were called. They're the gray kind of see-through looking lights, the LED bar style. We'll be replacing the stock tinted OEM light strips. And we're going to do a little more to the back end, but today we're just going to be doing these ones right here. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Super simple. This should take you about 4 minutes. You will need some tools, and I'll show you exactly what you need to get it done. Let's jump right in. So guys, you're going to need a power drill or a hand drill or hand tool with a T15 Torx bit. And you're just going to need to take out the rear two Torx bolts on the far left and the far right, so you can access the side marker via hand. This one's going to be the easiest way to do it. You won't need to remove any wheels. You won't need to do anything special. So just to show you what it looks like there, it looks fantastic. And if we swing over to the passenger side, there's the stock one as well. And guys, it is so freaking bright, and I'm not even going to show you until we get it in. So let's go ahead and jump right into the install on this side right here. It is the exact same on the other side as well. All right, so once you take out the taillight, guys, you can look in there. That's going to be your side markers. There's two speed nuts is what they call them, holding it on. There is no threads on the new one, but you'll be able to thread right over this, and just using a socket wrench, you'll get it right off. For me, that was an 11 millimeter size. So it is a little tough, but if you just get in there with your hand, and what I did was I actually untwisted the bulb so you can free the bulb. So you got even more play in there, and now you're just working on getting those two out. So you just want to get those two nuts off, and it should come right out. Okay, so I got the nuts out there, as you can see, and now the side marker is completely out. Again, let me show you here. So the harness that comes off has a 194 bulb in it. The brand new side marker has a built-in, and you can see right there, that's what the bulb looks like. It has a built-in wired bulb right there. This is what's going to power. So you just want to push that in there, and then you are good to go. This also has a switch on it. So the switch will give you the option to, some will be able to flash when you press the brake. Others will, when you power it on, if the light switches on, it will actually do like a build-up, and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. And if it's not on, it'll just turn on immediately full bar. No special transition or anything like that. So what you want to do now is run this wire through your hole, push it in, and then twist your speed nuts back on. Decide if you want your switch on or off, and then it's all done. All right, so we obviously got our light out, and now we got it in. We're going to go ahead and turn it on real quick and see you. I have the light switch on, so it will do the fancy transition. So there you go. Look at that build up. Just like that, boys. It looks good. When the lights are on, it's nothing but red. And yes, it's as bright as you see in the camera as in real life. The actual LED strip is super bright, and the design of the bulb itself actually emits the red all through and shows many micro lines. So it looks super sweet and smooth. All in all, I'm loving it. I'm gonna get you guys some night shots, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next one, keep your eyes out. We're going to have more and more lights coming to the C5, and have a good one. Peace.